This morning I will be using a technique that was given to me by a coworker in boiling eggs, and I will try to recreate this. So I was told that all I need to do is boil the water first and get it to a boiling point, and then place the eggs in the water after the water is boiling, and it will guarantee an easy peel. I tried it a couple weeks ago and it was successful. I'm gonna try and recreate it today again. So put your water in your pot and you bring it to a boil. Now, we will see how this works, and I will record another video at the end and I'll piece it together and we'll see how well this trick works. It's not really successful unless you can recreate it, so we'll see if I can recreate it. Roll Tide. To carefully place your eggs into the water, because you don't want to break them. So I use this cool little, what would you call this thing, Carrie?
It's actually a pasta stirrer.
It's a pasta stirrer, but it works perfectly to grab the egg and place it into the boiling water. After I place the eggs into the water, I'm gonna let them boil for another 10 minutes or 15 to get it a hard boil. And most likely the eggs will crack. I've had, in the very first time I did it, I had one cracked egg, but it's a hard boiled crack. It's a hard boiled egg. And I think that is the key, is to being able to peel it, because the egg is hard boiled. So, water boiled for 15 minutes or 13. I let it sit in there for 2 additional minutes. And then I placed it in this container here, and I'm gonna put a few ice cubes on top of it. I placed a few ice cubes in there. I'm gonna let that sit for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then I will peel some eggs. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Egg peeling. And we shall see if this was a success. It's starting off really well. The shell's nice and hard. And look at there. We may have ourselves a winner. Success. Perfectly peeled egg. Nice. Well, we can safely say that technique was a success, and feel free to try it yourself and see what your results are, because my results may not be your results. Thanks for watching.